So tea. Tea is most important beverage crop of India. It is considered a stimulating yet cheap drink. Tea bushes is supposed to be indigenous to China, but in 1823, British Major Robert Brucey reported that indigenous tea bushes grew wild on the hill slopes of Upper Assam. Following this information, tea plantations were set up in Brahmaputra Valley by the British in 1839. In the beginning, tea plantations were confined to Upper Assam only, but later on they were set up in Lower Assam and Darjeeling. Thereafter, tea plantations were set up in Nilgiri hills of South India. Tea bush is a tropical and a subtropical plant. There are three types of tea available: black tea, green tea, oolong tea. Green tea and oolong tea are more popular in China, Japan, and Taiwan. Black tea, after drying, is preferred in India, European countries, and Western countries. Soils: tea bush grows well in well drained, deep, friable looms with porous subsoil. Stagnant water is injurious to its roots. However, virgin forest soils rich in humus and iron content are considered to be the best for tea plantation. A large portion of phosphorus and potash imparts special flavor to tea, as in case of Darjeeling tea. In order to increase the yield, proper amount of nitrogenous fertilizers such as ammonium sulfate should be added to the soil. Ammonium sulfate. However, regular tilling of the soil to remove the weeds is essential. To avoid waterlogging, tea is best grown on hill slopes where water drains away easily. It grows equally well in valley if the drainage is good. Hence, tea can be grown on various elevations, varying from 600 meters to 1500 meters above sea level. Climate requirements: temperature. The ideal temperature for the growth of tea crop is 13 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Temperature below 10 degrees Celsius and above 35 degrees Celsius is harmful for crop. Tea is a shade-loving plant and develops more vigorously when planted along with shady trees. Frost is harmful. Rainfall. Tea bush requires about 150 to 250 cm of annual rainfall, well distributed throughout the year. While prolonged dry spell is harmful for tea, high humidity, heavy dew, and morning fog favor the rapid development of young leaves.